What up, y'all, and welcome back to the FitMenCook Kitchen. Today, we have a really special video because we are using one of my favorite ingredients. So what people don't know is that behind the scenes, I know I talk a lot about the variety. Sometimes I eat the exact same thing. Many times I eat the exact same thing. And one of my favorite ingredients is canned chicken. Yes, I am a canned chicken lover, but don't talk about me because Jesse is too.
It's true.
Thank you very much. Don't leave me hanging. I call these really quick bowls, quick meals that you can make using canned chicken. If you don't know how to cook, this video is for you. And if you do know how to cook, this video is also for you. Give you some ideas on how to jazz stuff up. So, without further ado, here are 4 canned chicken recipes. Let's get started.
Okay, so the first one is a staple for me. It's a Tex-Mex burrito bowl. Just saute up onion and bell pepper, then add in smoked paprika and cumin to make it really fragrant, along with cooked rice. I love jasmine rice. Add enchilada sauce, some beans, and then the chicken. Stir it up together and top it with a little sprinkle of cheese, and you're done. Enjoy this one hot or cold with a side salad, and you're good to go. Next, I love adding it to shakshuka because it makes the dish so much heartier. Just saute garlic and olive oil, then add a can of fire roasted tomatoes, cumin, smoked paprika, a pinch of cinnamon, yes, I did say cinnamon, then sea salt and pepper. In goes the chicken, then comes the egg. You see what I did there? Cover and cook, then garnish with parsley. Enjoy with rice or with pita bread, your choice. It's good either way.
Isn't that good?
Delicioso.
Ooh. Delicioso.
Ooh.
For the next one, saute onions in oil with curry powder, coriander, and cayenne. Another hack is just to use curry powder and chili powder. Add chicken, then pour in light coconut milk. Bring it to a simmer. Then add in some spinach to wipe it down. If you want it thicker, you can add an arrowroot or cornstarch slushy mix. And enjoy this entire meal with rice. Garnish with onion, lime, and more red pepper.
Last one, last bowl. You know what we're making? What's the one meal that you can eat every single day? Well, actually, both of us can eat every single day.
Talk about some variation of a bowl, a trough.
We're gonna call this one the Trough.
The trough.
We actually happened to be eating the exact same thing. His wife was out of town. Jesse made his lunch, and he brought what I actually secretly eat behind the camera. And yeah, so this is the Trough.
For the Trough bowl, you're gonna mash up avocado, and only if you're feeling fancy, you can add in onion and garlic powder along with sea salt and pepper. Then just add it to the bowl with rice, greens like a lettuce, the chicken, of course, and the avocado mash. Garnish with red onion and sriracha. Banging.
All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. All these recipes work extremely well with just boiling your own chicken and shredding it up. You are going the plant-based route, swap in the canned chicken for canned jackfruit, and you are good to go. If you like videos like this, I want you to smash that like button below. If you're new to the channel, what up, how you doing? Don't forget to click that button to subscribe, and remember, you also have to ring that bell, ding ding, so that way you can be notified every time we post hot new content here. Until next time, I want you to keep it healthful, but of course, never ever boring. Boom! Bye, peeps.